the 12-week year, where we learned in that book how to not have annual goals, because if you have annual goals, you know what you're going to tend to do? You're going to be cramming around Christmas time to try to make up for all the gap between your results and the goals that you had. Everybody always procrastinates and leaves everything to the night before, right? Whether it's a monthly qualification, whether it's cramming for a test. That's what we do as humans. So instead of doing that, if you break it down to a 90-day period, basically 12 weeks in a quarter, so now you got 4 quarters, like a football game, but each quarter is broken down into 12 weeks. So you're going to find that if you have goals for this week, you're going to start off the week on Sunday mapping out the plan with the goals for the week and a plan of attack for the week. And hopefully you win the week. If you win the week, you go start the next week and you go try to win again. If you don't win the week, if you came up short, now you can plan to review. You can, inspect the situation and figure out, okay, how do I win this next week? Where did I fall short? Where did I excel? And you figure it out 1 week at a time.